Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll be talking about what SmartThings is and how to use it. Let's get started. SmartThings is a smart home ecosystem that lets you connect and control compatible devices like lights, locks, thermostats, cameras and more from one app. It's owned by Samsung and works with thousands of devices from brands like Philips Hue, Ring, Nest and even Alexa and Google Assistant. Now let's move on to how to use it. First, what you have to do is open up your app store and install your app. If you haven't, tap on App Store, search SmartThings at your search bar. Then after the SmartThings with this icon pops up, tap on that, and then after you're in, you're gonna see the install option there. Then install your app and open it. So after opening it up, first thing you need to do is go to your devices, which is at your bottom beside your home option. So here's the devices option. Tap on devices, then you can see the add device and supported devices option here. So you need to add device first. To do that, here's the plus icon here, so tap on that and then you can add your devices by scanning or selecting them from the app. You can also create automations like turn on lights when I arrive home or lock doors at 10 p.m. Also, you can create custom routines, control everything by voice and even use Samsung TVs or appliances as part of your smart setup. So SmartThings makes your life more convenient, secure and energy efficient. You can also monitor your home remotely, automate daily tasks and control everything from one app, even across different brands. So start building your smart home today and make your home work for you. So this is how you can use SmartThings and make your life easy as possible as you want. I hope this video helped you out, guys. Like if it did and comment down below if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.